Coast Guard. It's lightning right there. Really? Yeah. Right there. Look in that direction, like over here.
Watch out, it's gonna strike that tree.
Yeah, right. It's not even exactly over us yet, though. It's just windy in our area.
Mess it up. Watch the back of it all.
It's just the case.
I'm looking for the tornado. There it is.
Yeah, right.
There it is right there, hanging down right there. See how fast it's moving? It's turning into something. See it back there?
I don't know. I can't see it on here,
It's
though.
about to turn into a tornado.
Yeah. The wind calming down. So I mean,
take their speed down.
usually when the wind starts calming down, it comes out as a big old burst of wind. I wonder where's the severe part of the storm at.
See that end right there hanging down?
Yeah.
It's moving.
Back this way has to be the severe part of the storm. Because it's not raining over here, it's raining hard towards that way. It's just lightning and light rain over here. It's gonna do it more. This is how the thunder sounded last night too. The rain picking up again. There goes some hard rain. The arrow lightning is tricky. You think it would stop thunder and lightning, and then it would do it again. Oh, right there. You saw that? That was a big old flash. Here it comes. Yeah. Okay, it's over us now. You see where it's all lighting up back there? Like it's starting to, like, it's like one color cloud right there.
That's a cold front right there coming in.
Yeah, there go the wind blowing too. Yeah, you see how back there where the cloud is like faded and it's one color? That's all the heavy rain now. That's rain. See, I told you now it's starting to rain hard. Look at that! Look at that wind! Look how the palm trees are moving right there. Look at that! Look at that! See that over there? Looks like a hurricane almost.
Yeah. Stuff's starting to move.
And finally a thunderstorm with strong winds. The wind just starting to get up now.
We got an antenna right by our house.
Oh, right there. Aw.
We got an antenna right by our house. Electric antenna.
The outflow. Look at that. Look at that. It's a very dangerous storm. It's worse than Pharaoh.
It's worse than Pharaoh?
Yeah. Look how the wind's just getting up though. That's straight line winds. I never saw that California with thunderstorms that have straight line winds. That's unusual for us. Dang. Come look at this wind's getting even stronger. No, look at the palm tree. You can see them. Look at that. You missed it. It would look like a hurt. Oh, the power went out. The light went off right there. Yeah, my iPod needs to charge. I'm finna cut this off. Oh, it's hailing. We got some hail. Oh, shoot.